One of the most auspicious and important things to do during Chaturmāsyam, the 4 fortnights of the rainy season, is to support your Guru, your Ācharya, the sanyāsis, who have all vowed to stay in one place during the rainy season so as not to hurt any living thing. Supporting them by promising to make sure that their every need is met is Bikshavandanam. The Vaideekas, those who have learnt the Veda, assembled at the Sri Kanchi Kamakoti Peetam despite troubling times and offered their Bikshavandanam to the Ācharya of the Sri Kanchi Kamakoti Peetam, Jagadguru Pooja Sri Shankara Vijayendra Saraswati Shankaracharya Swami. The traditions of this Peetam is 2500 years old. The Vaideekas assembled took the Sankalpam for Bikshavandanam. They contributed in cash and in kind, bringing a vast array of fruits, vegetables, rice, coconuts, and other provisions, offerings. This was their time to give thanks and give back. The Vaideekas chant the Svasti of the Sri Matham to take the Sankalpam. Shree Mahā Tripurasundari Swami pooja Brahmana Tarpanadi Sukaraartham